Let us discuss consensus commit protocol. ScalarDB uses the consensus commit protocol and achieves the following things. It achieves ACID transactions on NoSQL database. It also scales out functionality on databases. It can be only scale out on databases and scale out on ScalarDB separately. Of course, it is also possible to expand both databases as well as ScalarDB at the same time. Let us understand how the consensus commit is executed. It is actually done in 3 phases. First is the prepare phase. The data to be updated is written to the table, and the metadata in the record shows that the transaction state is maintained as prepare, indicating a preparation state. Next is commit phase 1. In this phase, ScalarDB writes transaction ID and transaction state as commit to the coordinator.state table, which indicates that the transaction has been committed. If commit phase 1 is successful, the transaction is always committed. Finally is the commit phase 2. The status of the records written in prepared state is updated to the committed state and the transaction is completed.